Hello everyone, it's Kelly and welcome back to Cumic Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like button right here to miss out on any future updates. This week, the steel market saw fluctuations without dramatic change. Although the overall balance of supply and demand didn't show much difference, it continued to show slight improvement. At the same time, macro factors are playing a bigger role shaping the market's direction. Let's see some details. Domestically, the latest economic data from August wasn't great. It showed weaker than expected performance, which has really shaken up market confidence. It seems like everyone's feeling a bit unsure about where things are headed next. What about globally? Well, the Fed made a surprising move by cutting interest rates by 50 basis points, which is more than what market was expecting. Usually, lower rates are good for commodity prices including steel. But because the rate cut also got people worried about a potential recession in the US, which is adding a lot of uncertainty to the macro picture. Despite the volatility, there are no significant conflicts in the market. Right now, we're seeing the market move in line with these macro factors, which exhibit ongoing fluctuations. Let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, China's apparent demand dropped by nearly 500,000 tons. Inventory is down by nearly 360,000 tons. Production went up a little. Now these numbers might look a bit alarming, but there is a good reason for this. We just had a Mid-Autumn Festival, which meant 2 fewer working days this week. So naturally, demand and the speed of destocking slowed down. But don't worry, the overall trend of supply and demand balance is still positive. And we expect to see things pick up again soon. So what's next? Well, both supply and demand are likely to keep growing, which means the supply and demand balance should continue to improve. Plus, the pressure from high inventory levels is starting to ease up. On the macro front, there are some whispers that China might follow the Fed and announce its own interest rate cuts, or even reduce the reserve requirement ratio. If that happens, it could really boost the market confidence. So there's still some fluctuations ahead. We're expecting the market to go slightly stronger next week. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit subscribe and like button right here. See you next week. Bye bye.